I was looking at my business expenses the other day, and it's crazy how many impulse buys you can make during Black Friday. But then there are the smart deals, the tools that actually save you time and money all year long.
It's so true. I'm pretty picky about the tools I recommend, but the ones that actually help me finish work faster are worth their weight in gold. And that's what we're talking about today. If you're searching for the SignNow Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal, you've landed in the right place because this is one of those smart deals that genuinely makes a difference.
Let's talk about the actual problem Sign Now solves. It's that constant annoying friction when you have to sign documents electronically. You need to get a lease agreement for Ontario signed, or you're a freelancer with a contract. The old way was a total pain.
It was. You'd have to print it, sign it, scan it, and email it back. And if you needed to add a signature field to a PDF for someone else to sign, good luck. It just slows everything down. People are constantly searching for a simple electronic signature service that just works.
And that is exactly what Sign Now is. It's a powerful but super easy to use electronic signature platform that simplifies that entire process. It's one of the core tools I'm using to prepare my business for 2026, so I can start the year less stressed and more organized.
Me too. It's my go-to for automating contracts and onboarding. It's more than just a signature tool. It's a complete document workflow system.
So, for people who haven't used it, what makes it so good?
The biggest thing is how simple it is to add a signature box to a PDF and send it off for signing. You can track the whole process and get notified when it's signed. It's all legally binding and secure, so you can even use it for important documents like a trust amendment form or a rental agreement for Alberta.
And it's not just for legal forms, right? I know people who use it for everything from getting a profit and loss statement PDF signed by their accountant to handling their yearly PSIR renewal online.
Exactly. Any document that needs a signature, this is the tool. It's one of the best e-signature services out there because it's so versatile. You just log into your SignNow login and all your documents are right there, organized and secure.
So, who is this really a must have for?
Honestly, it's for almost any modern professional. It's for small business owners who need to sign contracts, landlords using a basic rental agreement fillable form, freelancers, and even individuals who just need to e-sign online for something like a Sky Zone waiver form. If you deal with documents, this saves you time.
And now is absolutely the best time to get it. Let's talk about the Sign Now Black Friday deal.
This is their big sale of the year. You can get 20% off their self-serve annual plans. This deal goes live on November 12th. It's a smart, long-term investment in your own efficiency, not just a one-time impulse buy.
So, to wrap this all up, if you're ready to stop the print, sign, scan madness and upgrade your workflow, this is your chance. A 20% discount on a tool that saves you time every single day is a no-brainer.
Absolutely. I'll drop my affiliate link in the video description below. Once that sale goes live on November 12th, that link will be the easiest way to get your discount.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If this helped, a thumbs up is always appreciated.
And subscribe for more tools that actually save you time. We'll see you in the next one.